What's up, YouTube? This is your boy G back with another video. Today I just want to quickly share another stuff that I purchased from Lazada. It might be interesting to you, so I just thought I'm gonna unbox it and share it. This is actually a hair blower. This is pretty much like this. I purchased this first from Lazada as well, a very cheap one. I think it's just 300 pesos or something. But for just 2 months, it's actually broken already, right? Sira na agad. So I had to purchase another one. And this time I thought of purchasing like a branded one, but it's not expensive one. So you probably know what I'm thinking. Xiaomi, right? It looks like Xiaomi has a product everywhere, like in any type. Now I purchased this specifically for my dog, Maltese Shih Tzu dog. And of course, fur baby, right? It's very difficult to dry them after taking a bath, so I thought I really need to have a blower. So let's go ahead and open this up. All right, we finally managed to remove the bubble wrap, the box, the cardboard rather, and this is now the actual box of the product. Now what I like about Xiaomi is it's very presentable, right? It's very Apple-like, Apple-ish, right? So if we go ahead and check it out in the front, it says there's just Xiaomi. This is the actual blower picture, couple of buttons there, and Mi Ionic hair dryer, 1,800 watts, which is a little bit more than others because others are just 1.2, 1.3, 1.5. I just want to unbox this, so just in case you're planning to buy like a blower, or you're kind of curious how Xiaomi blower looks like, or what are you gonna get in the box. So this hopefully will help you. So it says Ionic hair care technology, NTC smart temperature control, double layer magnetic air nozzle, high air volume quick drying technology, hot and cold cycle mode, that's interesting, and compact and portable design. On the bottom, nothing much. So let's go ahead and open this baby up. Imagine buying a blower and the box looks like a box of a new gadget or something, like a cell phone or something expensive, right? By the way, of course, I'm going to put the link down in the description. This is not sponsored or anything, not paid by Lazada or Xiaomi. Lazada or Xiaomi, if you're watching this, baka naman, right? So, baka naman. All right, so first up, we have a manual here, different language. Man, the box is so intricate. It looks like you have to pull this right stuff up first, and there's an whoa, that's a thick manual. I thought this is a manual. This is actually a warranty sheet, warranty notice, but this one is the manual. Of course, that is because of different languages. All right, so I can see the actual hair dryer with the cable, pretty long cable. I can see the outlet will require an adapter here in Philippines, right? So this is round, and of course we're using flats here. Take note of that. If you don't have that yet and you're planning to buy this, buy that in advance, or make sure that you have that. Check this little box here. Little box, let's see what's inside. This is just the nozzle or the replacement head that you put in front if you want to make it that way. Pretty good. Okay, let's set that box aside first and check the actual product here. This is really looking fancy. It feels premium. I mean, I love the texture on it. It's not a glossy white that will actually look cheap right away. This is the blower that I got in a really cheap one, substantially bigger, right? Longer though, but this one is thicker and a lot of glossy part, which makes it looks cheaper. But the Xiaomi one is matte white and it looks awesome. So here you will see the branding, a little me there. The back is the fan, and there's a little note here. Make sure that the distance between the hair and the air intake is more than 10 centimeters to prevent hair from getting caught. Okay, so just make sure that your hair is not close here, because this is an intake fan. Might eat your your hair. All right, so this is now the exhaust, right, or the output one where you're gonna put it in your hair like that. Man, it looks like a huge like a huge AirPod, right? Oh man, I don't know if they're mocking Apple or something. It looks weird. Wow, that is magnetic. This is exactly like the technology of the Apple AirPods Max, right? Where the foam, right, are magnetic. So it's kind of like the same here. You don't have to attach it in some mechanism or some, rivets here. It's just actually magnetic. So if you want to control the air a little bit more, you can do so. Awesome. Now the button here, you do have one labeled 0, all right? I presume that's the off, and then 1, which is turned on, number 1, followed by 2, which is the most powerful one. Now there's a push button here, like an electronic push button. It's not a mechanical one that you press on and off. It's actually just a push button. It's signifying if it's gonna go on cold or hot air. All right, I'm going to plug it in to a power source and let's just do some sound tests of it, right? I'll be right back. All right, I'm back and it's now plugged into a power source, and let's go ahead and check it out. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Jeez. So that's how it sounds. Again, this is number 1. All right, number 1 on hot air. So as you can see, it's glowing white there, a little good touch. Let me switch it to cold. Of course, sound is the same, right? Not that bad. It's tolerable. It's good. It's a blower, so it's cool. It's not that hot. And let me switch it again. You can actually toggle it in a combination. Let me turn that thing off. Basically, we have 3 modes, right, for the temperature. Cold one, right, the blue, hot one, the orange, or the red, orange, and then a combination of both. It will toggle it automatically. Let me show you that. So 1. See that? Cold one, hot one. Cold one, hot one. That's good. So this is just cold. This is just hot. Again, a combination of both. And back on cold. Let me switch it to number 2. Holy moly. That is just strong. Man, it's a very powerful blower. See how powerful that is? Yep. It's like vacuum already. Man, that is insane. All right, that is the quick look and unboxing, some testing on Xiaomi Mi Ionic hair dryer. I purchased this, I believe, around 900 pesos only. It's very worth it, guys. If you're looking for a blower that you're gonna use for your own hair or for your pets like me, my reason is, again, I'm gonna use this to my pet, and it's just so powerful. I think I will never use number 2 on this. I will just use number 1. And the hot cold combination is a very good touch, so that you're not gonna burn, or like torture your pets, right, or your head whenever you try to dry your hair. Hot cold, it's pretty awesome touch. This is around 900 pesos in Lazada. I'm gonna put the link down in the description below. Just go ahead and check it out. Xiaomi is creating awesome products there. If you haven't noticed, Xiaomi has a lot of different products, right? They're not only catering for TV or cell phones, they're actually doing a lot. So if you actually check the link there, you can see a lot of other products out there. Click like if you like this video, comment down below if you have any question or what product you would like me to check next time, or if you have any inquiries, just go ahead and click the comments and put your, type your comments out there. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. I review a lot of products out there. But for now, thanks so much for watching. Stay safe, guys. See you on my next one. Peace.